Winter in America has a way of emptying wallets faster than a winter storm empties a mailbox. While most families watch their heating bills climb higher each year, there's a community quietly defying this trend. Over 360,000 Amish men and women across the country maintain large, comfortable homes during the coldest months, without relying on modern heating systems. The methods they've perfected over generations aren't just ingenious, they're efficient, sustainable, and surprisingly adaptable. Before we dive into how you can take cues from them, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to WARFRONT Survival so you don't miss the rest of our deep dives into practical, historical survival strategies. Rocket mass heaters, the wood-burning sports car. One of the Amish community's most remarkable heating solutions is the rocket mass heater. Unlike a traditional fireplace that wastes most of its heat up the chimney, a rocket mass heater functions as a thermal battery, storing energy in dense materials like brick, cob, or stone. The fire burns intensely in a specialized chamber, converting nearly all the wood into heat rather than smoke. This means a single small load of wood, roughly the size of your arm, can radiate warmth for 12 to 24 hours. Families can maintain comfortable temperatures of 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit in spaces up to 2,000 square feet, all with minimal fuel. These heaters are not only efficient but versatile. Many designs include a flat-top surface that doubles as a cooking or water heating area, combining multiple functions into a single sustainable system. Proper ventilation is crucial, but once installed, rocket mass heaters offer long-term savings that dramatically reduce the labor and expense of winter heating. Coal stoves, the marathon runners of winter. In areas like Pennsylvania and Ohio, coal stoves have become a traditional staple in Amish homes. These robust stoves burn steadily, requiring minimal attention while producing consistent heat for 12 to 24 hours on a single load. Often installed in basements, coal stoves heat the entire house through strategically planned ventilation shafts. Cost-wise, coal remains surprisingly economical, particularly in regions where it is locally mined. A ton of coal can heat a modest home for a month, typically costing $100 to $150. While the initial setup is significant and proper ventilation is essential to manage emissions, coal stoves reward families with years of reliable service. Propane, kerosene, and gas heaters. Modern solutions without electricity. While the Amish generally avoid electricity, heaters powered by propane, kerosene, or natural gas fit neatly into their lifestyle. These heaters are fast-acting, portable, and require little maintenance. For families who need quick warmth, a small propane heater can provide near-instant comfort while consuming far less than the average household heating bill. An interesting twist is how the Amish combine lighting and heating. Gas-powered mantel lamps and wall sconces produce both light and heat, often raising room temperatures by several degrees. In a well-insulated home, these heat sources supplement stoves and heaters, creating multiple points of warmth while illuminating the house. Masonry heaters are the heavyweight champions. They're another cornerstone of Amish heating, you know. Built from brick, stone, or concrete, these systems are masters at capturing heat. The fire burns intensely in a small combustion chamber, but the dense walls trap and slowly release that energy over hours. Families often gather around these heaters in their living rooms, where the surface stays comfortably warm without danger of burns. Some homes even include built-in benches around the heater, creating an ideal space to recover from work in the fields or enjoy family evenings together. The Amish don't rely solely on stoves. Their homes are designed to conserve heat naturally. Central living spaces, compact floor plans, and strategically placed south-facing windows capture sunlight during the winter months. Low ceilings keep warm air at human height, while lofted sleeping areas benefit from rising heat. Thermal mass plays a critical role too. When it comes to actual cost, the Amish approach is staggering. While the average American family spends $1,500 to $2,500 per winter, Amish families manage with just $600 to $1,000, depending on their heating methods. Even including the labor required to chop wood or manage coal, the savings are substantial. The real lesson from Amish heating practices is not just about saving money. It's about efficiency, long-term sustainability, and using natural principles to stay warm. Their homes are living demonstrations of how humans can adapt and thrive even without modern technology. If this dive into Amish ingenuity has inspired you, make sure to subscribe to WARFRONT Survival. Share this video with your fellow history enthusiasts and comment below with which Amish heating method you found most fascinating. Stay warm, stay resourceful, and keep learning from the past.